Get best THINKCAR tested discount code step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a THINKCAR tested working discount coupon code that actually works, you're in the right place. Check the link in the description right now. I've added the latest verified and tested has themes coupon codes so you can save instantly. Alright, let's get started. Open your browser and go to thinkcartested.com. Once you're there, log in to your account. After the homepage loads, you'll see a menu at the top. Click on the Add to Card Now tab. Here, you'll see 3 main plans: Basic, Advanced, and Premium. Choose the one that best fits your needs. For this demo, I'm selecting the Advanced plan, then double-clicking the Check Out button. On the next page, you'll find different categories under the Advanced plan: Advanced, Premium, and VIP. Select the one you prefer, and then click on Do you have a coupon code? Now it's time to add your discount. Find the promo code box. It's usually located under the order summary on the right side, or above the payment details. Go to the link in the description, copy one of the verified BioCare coupon codes, and then paste it into the promo box. Click Apply, and you should see your discount appear instantly. Congratulations, your Has Themes discount code has been successfully applied. And before you go, don't forget to check the link in the description again. I keep it updated with the latest verified Has Themes coupon codes, so you always have one that works. If this video helped you save some cash, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and happy saving.